After you have finished your meal, after 15 minutes, 20 minutes, you have a glass of water or a bottle of water, whatever. Alright? Now, do not ever have rice and chapatis at the same meal. Your dietitian told you that? Never. Do not have fruits along with your meal or immediately after your meal. Why? नहीं मालूम, बताती हूँ मैं. Huh? Yes, because everything that you are eating has got a different digestive time. So, finish with your meal, whatever you are having. Now suppose you are a rice eater, like I am a rice eater. I will have my rice in the afternoon. Now why rice in the afternoon? Because after you have eaten your rice, even though you chew the main base of the rice, it will leave water. Have you ever kept one katori of rice and forgotten about it? Keep 1 tablespoon of rice in one katori and leave it aside. Next morning you see there is water in that rice. But you had kept a dry spoon of rice. What should that tell you? That the rice leaves water. Now in the night if you will have rice, then you will get up to go to urinate. That is one of the things many people say, oh but I get up 4-5 times, then I am not fresh when I get up in the morning, I have not had my full sleep. That's one of the reasons. My elder son-in-law is a South Indian, Iyer, and if I don't cook rice in the house, he'll come, Mummy, no rice. Are chapati khana? But he can eat 15 chapatis at one sitting and still feel I'm not satisfied. Just this morning I told him, tu apne ghar pe jaake kha fir. Tell, go to your parents' house, you are eating me out of house and home. But that is not the thing. The thing is, the chewing timing for both is different. The digestion system takes its own time to digest both your things. So your body goes through a upheaval. It gets very confused. And suddenly you will pop one strawberry. Finished. War in the stomach. So always have your fruits 20 minutes, half an hour after your meals. And I personally always say there should be a change of venue. Instead of sitting on the dining table and eating your fruits, just take the bowl of fruits and move to another place and eat. Because what you have eaten is different in color, consistency, everything. And you are looking at what you are eating. But I have taken a bowl of strawberries. I love strawberries. I always have. Okay? That's lovely, bright red with green leaves and whatever in it. But you have already eaten dal, chawal, pata nahi kya kya, and the plate is still there. You are not actually healthily utilizing the color therapy that the strawberries will give you. And that color of strawberry, that it's not red, it's not pink, it's a pinkish red color. And it's such a beautiful color, it is a waking up color. It rejuvenates you. And on top of that, it's got lovely green color leaves around it. Have you ever realized that what you eat visually also helps you? So, if you're having bananas which are bright yellow, if you're having kalingad which is another beautiful color, then just take. Don't do like me. I can have the full vegetable at one sitting, the watermelon. Take your bowl or whatever your fruits are in and go to a separate place, sit down and you will see the difference in your own feelings. You will feel so much happier. Before when I was taught this, I thought my professor was just giving Battis ka Rag. And he was a French professor who taught me color therapy. So whenever I want to say something against him, I would speak in Hindi. Because English he would understand Hindi. I'd say, ye Battis ka Rag de raha hai. But when I experienced it, then I realized the power of color therapy. Nowadays they are giving you all those hybrid capsicums. Yellow color, red color, that light green, dark green. Yesterday I saw some bluish color one. They're all hybrid, man-made. But I don't eat them. But I keep them in the salad because I have a lot of foreigners that come to me, and when I give them a bowl of salad with all these technique colors, they're very happy. But because they are man-made, the color has been induced. So food color has been added, so I don't personally eat it except the green and the red because I know that is, I have grown them once upon a time, so I know that they are proper. But if you keep these colors around you and see how happy you will feel. And meal time, your khana ka time should be the happiest time of the day. No accounting. इतना पैसा हुआ, इतना खर्चा किया, इतना ये हुआ, पापा ने ये बोला, सास ने वो बोला, ससुर ने, all that is not that time. Meal time is called bonding time. For the husbands, when your wife cooks something, if you compliment her, how happy she feels. When my husband, poor fellow, died, when he never used to compliment for more than 3-4 days, I used to put red chili in the food. Then he knew, okay, I didn't compliment you, no? This is very nice. Like that. But even if it is not something that you like, but you like the taste of it, and you compliment the other person. If I compliment you on something you've done, wouldn't you feel happy? Same thing. And this is what, you spread immediate. हम देश को सुधारने गए मगर हमारा घर खड्डे में है. आप देश को क्या सुधारेंगे? है ना? Learn to appreciate each other, you will change yourself. And diet is part of that. I have noticed people who eat a lot of chilies also. Very heaty people. A lot of masala and oil and all that stuff. So the body temperature, we give Ayurvedic medicines, powders, to reduce the heat in the body. When too much of urine or stool is accumulated inside your body, body temperature slowly starts to come up. Why do people who eat biryani suddenly start to feel hot? You all must be making biryani at home, no? Being a Muslim, every Friday or every Sunday, Friday to dal gosh ka din hota hai na? Friday ko biryani, my mother-in-law would make and I would help her. And she'd get all the masalas, itna masala. One day I looked and there was poppy seeds in it. Now I can't tell my mother-in-law anything. I went to my mother-in-law's sister and I said, Auntie, wo dekho na ganja charas dale hai masale mein. Poppy means. So why do we feel sleepy? Why do you feel as if you are, had something after having biryani? Because the actual thing you are using. And lack of communication, lack of information. We don't know. When my mother-in-law's sister told her, अरे तू क्या कर रही है? इससे गांजा चरस, whatever it is, बनता है. अगर पुलिस को पता चला कि तू ये करेगी, तो तेरे को लेके जाएंगे अंदर. But she knows I deal in that. So very quietly she came to me, बेटा ये सही है क्या? I said, आपको कौन बोला? She said, वो लालू ने, means her sister, उन्होंने बोला मेरे को. I said, हाँ. तो पहले क्यों नहीं बोली तूने? I said, मैं तुमको बोलती तो तुम सबको बोलते मेरी बेटी ने मेरे को गांजा चरस बोला. So then I had to explain to her that I told your sister to give you the message. So even the food that we eat is so heavy with the masalas. And you actually have to get binoculars to find the food because the oil is so much. My neighbors, I stay in Mira Road I'm staying in Mira Road for a couple of years. My neighbors are very nice, Gujarati people. But Dadaji, I call him Dadaji. I eat chapatis without oil. But when he sends chapatis for me, and I do this, the cow's ghee is dripping. And when I told him, Dadaji, I don't eat this. He said, गाय का घी माने दवाई दे रहा हूं मैं. एक हफ्ता क्योंकि दूसरे के दादाजी है, चुपचाप मैंने वो रोटी खाया. 4 किलो वजन बढ़ गया मेरा. Then I went back to him. I said, दादाजी देखो, उस दिन आपने वजन किया था 52 था, आज 56 है. तो बोले वो कैसा? मैंने क्या किया? ऐसे रोज आप चपाती 4-4, 5-5 बेचते सबके लिए, उसमें से 2 खाती हूँ मैं, but with pure ghee. And I don't eat anything else that will give me. अच्छा ठीक है, कल से नहीं दूंगा. I will not apply the key. So what you eat, I am not asking you to tell the elders in your house very rudely or whatever. Explain to them, sit with them. I start with seeing the TV.